Hello, good morning, good evening all. Uh, let's understand what is Hybris. Before we understand what is Hybris, let's see the agenda today. First, we'll understand what is Hybris, then what are the key points or key trends in the market. Then we will understand what is omni-commerce or omni-channel. There is a lot of buzzwords about the omni-channel. We will understand about that one today. Then what is e-commerce, and we will define what is Hybris. There are so many ways to define the Hybris, but we will see our own way of defining the Hybris. Then we will understand Hybris architecture. Then what are the pillars of the Hybris? Who are the competitors for Hybris? Why only Hybris? If there are so many competitors in the market, why only Hybris? Then we will understand what are the software requirements, hardware requirements for the Hybris, why Hybris is popular, what are the Hybris products, and finally the full architecture of the Hybris. These are the couple of things we will understand in today's session. Okay. First, let me open a notepad. First, we'll understand what is Hybris. Hybris is an e-commerce solution or e-commerce software. Like we have many e-commerce sites, right? Flipkart, Amazon, like that. So many e-commerce websites are there. To create that kind of sites, we need some software or solutions. And there are so many solutions available in the market, and Hybris is one of the one. Okay. Now, before we understand what is Hybris and how do we define the Hybris, let's understand few basics. Let's understand few basics. How market is, or how the strategy is, how trends are. Okay. So the first thing is that what are the key points? What are the key points for any business? Let's say you have a business. What are the key points for you, or what are the key points for your business? The first key point is, how do you attract the customer? The first key point for you is, how do you attract the customer? The second point is, how do you convert the customer? The third important point or key point for you or your business is, how do you retain the customer? For any business or for anyone who is doing the business, three things are important. The first thing is that, how do you attract the customer? Okay, how do you convert the customer, and how do you retain the customer? Okay, let's take the first point a little bit more. How do we attract the customer? If you want to attract the customer, you need to contextually relevant and create user experience. That means you need to give contextually relevant and create user experience or experience such a way that they really feel happy. They really feel happy and wants to do the business with you. Okay, and wants to do the business with you. The second thing is that, how do you convert the customers? Let's say regardless of the channel or device. Let's say if the person is in store or website, whatever it may be, how you can do the business with them is important one. That means, how do you convert the customers is the important one for you. The third one is, how do you retain the customer? Throughout the customer journey, let's say today is customer with you, but do you think that tomorrow he will be available with you? No need to be. So the important point for you is, throughout the customer journey, consistently, you need to match the customer's expectations. Then only you can retain the customers. So therefore, if you want to retain the customers, you need to consistently match the expectations. And if you want to convert them, regardless of the channel or device, you need to do the business. And these are the three key important for any business or for you. That's the first thing. Let's understand some basics. That's what I'm saying. One of the basic is this one. Next, one more point is another key point. This is about the market trend, one of the survey results. The point is, by 2018, 1/3 customers, or by 2018, 1/3 of top 20 industries will be disrupted by digital transformation. Digital transformed competitors. That means what? One of the key point is, by 2018, 1/3 of top 20 industries will be disrupted by digital transformed competitors. If you are not, then obviously you will be disrupted. Now the question is, you are, or are you going to be disrupted? Are you going to be disrupted? Obviously answer is no. Then how can you help our customers? The only way is technology. So you can with technology. That is the point. That is the second point. Next, third point is another important point. Let's understand some of the facts. Some of the facts are, these are some beautiful facts based on some surveys. The first one talks about what are the key points for you. The second one talks about by 2018 how the industries will be. Next, next one is some of the key facts are, the first one is 99.76% online ads are ignored. That means what? You also do so much of Googling, right? You go to YouTube and you play something, you do so many things, right? How many ads you are actually watching? Most of the times you ignore the ads, right? So the fact is 99.76% online ads, 99.76% online ads are ignored. The second point is, these are some of the beautiful steps. The second point is 57% of the buying process done before first interaction with salesperson or salesman, whatever it may be. That means what? 57% of the people are buying the products before interacting with the salesperson. The third one is 60% of consumers abandon a purchase due to poor service experience. Think of the situations if we are giving a product like this. So if we are giving a product or if we are giving a solution where most of the ads are ignored and most of the people are going purchasing before coming to the salesperson, and 60% of the consumers facing the poor user experience, now you can think of the product. Now you can think of the product. So now what customers really expecting? What customers expect companies to? What customers expect companies to? The first thing is that do easy business. This is the first thing customers expects from the companies. The second one is be better informed. Be better informed than they have ever been. So they need to be informed better. The third one, what customers expecting from the company is be one step ahead. Be one step ahead of the game. So they don't want to be lost, they want to be one step ahead. The next one, what customers expect from the companies is, the fourth one is be present wherever they hang out. That means if they hang out at particular situation, you need to be available for them. These are the things what customers expect companies to. Now, our technology, we develop are really focused on what? So therefore, the first thing is that these are the some of the key points for you. Next thing is that this is the by 2018 what will be the situation. Next thing is that some of the facts. Next thing is that what customers expect companies to. Based on all these things, our technology we develop really should focus on enabling the customers to deliver contextually consistent. Let me put that words so that you will be understand more. Deliver contextual consistent and relevant experience regardless of channel or device throughout customer journey. That means they are expecting all three. So they want contextually relevant information, consistent and regardless of the device. And the last thing is that throughout journey, if they are with you, they are expecting you need to give contextually relevant information and consistent all the times, and you need to be with them throughout their journey. This is what our solution we develop really should focus on. Okay, now the basic question is what? Now the final question is, do you have a solution for all the discussion we had till now? Yes, that solution is Hybris. Okay, so your Hybris solution can answer this, all these things. Okay, that is about Hybris. Now, I did not define the Hybris till now. We will define the Hybris after a few minutes. Before we define the Hybris, let's understand some of the terminologies. The first thing is What is omni channel or omni commerce? What is omni channel or omni commerce? To understand this one better, let's take one example. Let's say you want to give or you want to buy a ring for your girlfriend or boyfriend. Let's say you want to buy a ring for your girlfriend or boyfriend. Then what are the options? The first option is you go to local store. Then select the ring. Try to understand this omni commerce. You go to the local store, select a ring from hundreds of rings, whatever it may be. Then do negotiations, then buy it. This is called single channel. If you look at here, you are going to the local store, you are selecting the ring out of 100 rings, then you are doing the negotiation, then you are buying it. That means you are doing one by one. This is called single channel. The alternative, the next option, we have many options to buy a ring for your girlfriend or boyfriend. The first option we talked about, that is a single channel. Let's see the next option. Go to some website. Okay, then select the design. Go to website, select the design, take the details, then go to store. Okay, go to the store, then show your design and buy the ring. This is called multi-channel. If you look at here, first one is single channel, second one is multi-channel. Now let's say which one is better, first one is better or second one is better? I think second one is better, because of the reason is from the website you can select designs whatever you want at home and so on. So then directly you can go to the store and ask the details, then immediately they'll show the ring, then buy it, done. This is called multi-channel. Then if you buy and give it to your girlfriend, do you think that they will like it? They may not like, because in the second approach you are selecting the design and you are going to the store, you are buying it. That means whatever you are liking, you are giving it to your boyfriend or girlfriend. So they may not like. Then let's see what is the next option. The next option is you go to website. Okay, take the pamphlet. Take pamphlet for rings. Then send it to your girlfriend via WhatsApp or whatever it may be. Then she selects the ring. She select one. Then you can call to customer care and you can order it. Then they will be delivering to your home. This is called cross channel. Why I am saying cross channel here? If you look at here, so one way is what you are going to website and getting something. Then you are sending the details via WhatsApp. Then she is selecting. That means other people also involved. Then you are calling customer care. That means someone is involved. Then customer care, then order is placed. After that, they will be delivering. So there will be a delivery person also. So if you look at here, there are multiple things here. That's why it is called cross channel. Okay. So with this approach, you will be getting the better one compare with A and B approach. But the modern approach are something like this. Modern approach is something like this. Modern approach is also called as omni-commerce. Modern approach is also called as omni-commerce. What is happening in the modern approach is you start researching on web. See same kind of results all over. That means in the mobile, in the web, physically, you do whatever you want all over, maybe mobile or web or physically. Okay, then use vouchers, because you will be having Amazon vouchers, you will be having Flipkart vouchers, like that. Use vouchers. Then modify the address. Okay, have multiple payment options. Then you want seamless return and refund process. That means if something happens, the seamless refund process should be there. These kind of agile and dynamic behavior serves in omni-commerce or in modern approach. That is called omni-commerce. Now let me recollect this one. What is omni-commerce? Let's say you want to buy something to your boyfriend or girlfriend. The first option is this one, you doing step by step. The second option is you are going to the site, you are selecting the design, then taking it, take a printout, go to the shop and buying it. Third option, you are involving your girlfriend also, and sales boys, all these things. That's why it is cross channel. But nowadays modern approach is more than cross channel. That's nothing but omni-commerce or modern approach, where you'll be going to the sites and search the results in all over the web, mobile, physically, whatever it is. Then you use some vouchers, discounts, apply some discounts. Then you will modify the address. Then you will have multiple payment options. Then if something happens, you want the seamless refund process, amount refund process, all these things you want. These are all called as dynamic and agile behavior. These are all served, or these are all comes with omni-commerce. That's about the omni-commerce. This is very famous nowadays because most of the industries, they talk about omni-commerce. Do you know omni-channel? Do you know omni-commerce? This is what the meaning of omni-commerce. Let me show you a small diagram which explains more about the omni-commerce. Look at here, single channel. If you look at here, in the single channel, customer experiences single touch point. That's what we have seen. In multi-channel, that means B option, customer sees multiple touch points and acting independently. In the cross channel, customer sees multiple points as part of the same brand. I think you can correlate with the examples whatever I have given. The final one is omni-channel or omni-commerce or modern approach. Customer experience a brand, not a channel within a brand. So they do all the dynamic agile behavior, all these things. That's called omni-commerce or omni-channel. That's all about this one. Okay. Next, come back. So as I said, before we understand hybrid definition, let's understand some of the things. The first thing is that omni-commerce. The second one is we need to understand what is e-commerce.